बोलो पवन पुत्र हनुमान की जय। चले हनुमान यहाँ आए, श्री राम जी की धूम मचाए। चले हनुमान यहाँ आए, श्री राम जी की धूम मचाए। चले हनुमान
Today is the sacred day of Ram Navami, the day that Bhagwan Ram came onto earth in human form. But we don't celebrate the day just by celebrating a time thousands and thousands of years ago when he was born. We celebrate it by giving birth to him again and again in our hearts, in our lives. Let today be the day that Bhagwan Ram is born in us. And what does that mean? Well, as the embodiment of the divine here on earth, he was the epitome of Dharma, the epitome of the perfect son, the perfect king, the perfect husband, the perfect brother. And what happened? 14 years sent into exile in the jungles. Why? Because of the karmic threads that wove together into the tapestry. The thread of Bhagwan Ram, the thread of King Dashrath, the thread of Shravan Kumar. And all of these threads that weave together, all of the different threads of karma that together become a tapestry of his birth, of his life, of the kingdom of Ayodhya. And when he got sent to the jungles, did he grumble? Did he complain? Did he try to find some way of skirting the rules? Some way of getting away with not going? No. He did exactly what was his Dharma. And this is such a beautiful message for us every day, but especially today in the days of Corona, where it is our Dharma to stay home. Not for 14 years, 14 days. Let us take that challenge and give birth to the presence of that divine within us. Give birth to the divine, the embodiment of Dharma. 14 days, even if it becomes a month and a half, whatever it becomes. But it's not going to be 14 years. Can we do this as our Dharma? Can we do it realizing how the thread of our life, our actions, weaves in with the thread of health and of life for all of our sisters and brothers across the planet, for Mother Earth, for Mother Nature? On this day of Ram Navami, let us stop trying to figure out ways to beat the rules, ways for them not to apply to us, and actually become that embodiment of Dharma without complaining, without grudges, just doing exactly what our Dharma in this moment is, knowing that through this, the true Ram Raja, that kingdom of the divine, which after his years in exile, when he came back, his rule was Ram Raja, the rule of righteousness, the rule of Dharma. As we emerge, when it is safe, from our homes, from our lockdowns, from our quarantine, together, we will co-create Ram Raja, this rule of Dharma, of integrity, of righteousness, of oneness, of love, and of truth for all. But these days are the days of that exile. By God's grace, not in the forest where we have to forage for food and shelter, and where Rakshas and demons are after us, but just to the comforts and the safety of our own home. Let us take this message. It's not a coincidence that Ram Navami falls during our lockdown. Let us take this message of how to fulfill our Dharma with integrity, with love, with compassion, and with Dharma. Then it'll be not only Ram Raja thousands of years ago, but actually again today, not only in India, not only in Ayodhya, but all over planet Earth.